Hello and welcome back to the channel. A little Temu parcel came through the other day. Temu, I think they say Temu. Little parcel came through the other day, some camera bits. So if you're into your camera photography stuff, videography stuff, you might be interested in this. First things first, and I wanted to buy this stuff because it's really cheap, and I wanted to compare it to the proper stuff. First of all, I've not unwrapped that yet. That's a cover. Nothing to do with photography whatsoever. That goes over, if you've got a van, you open up the side doors, that goes over the top. It's the top cover for your van. I haven't got a van, I haven't got 2 doors to put it on, but I bought it anyway because it was cheap. We'll have a look at that another time. Another story. Little case. I love these little hard cases, and I've got the Action Pro, the Action 4. It fits the Action, I think it believes it, Action 4, Osmo, Action 4, 5. Is there a 6? No, there's not a 6 yet. The Action 4, what I love about this case, I'm a bit lucky actually. There's the case there. It's one of these hard cases, similar to the one I've got for my Osmo 360. Great thing about this is I've got the adapter on the bottom there. The Sunny Life adapter. Is it Sunny Life? Yeah, Sunny Life adapter, which just clicks on the bottom. Like so, the magnetic adapters. I've got all DJI. If you watch my other videos regarding photography stuff or videography stuff, I've got all DJI now. I've blown GoPro out. For various reasons, and I just like the menu system on these cameras. So since I got the Osmo Pocket 3, I like the menu system of that. And then the Action 4 came up in a good price because I got the Action 5 out. So these are a good camera, action camera. And now, if you watch some of my other videos, I've got the Osmo 360. I'm losing track of all the flipping cameras. So I bought this little hard case for it, and I tell you what, it's got the little lens bit there. It's soft, the Velcro. It's not Velcro. It's like a felt velvet type thing in there. That fits in there. Like so. Lovely. And you've got the adapter there. It's going to stay on that and it fits in. You sort of can't really put you could leave it undone at the bottom and fit a tripod on the bottom there, but it's just a lovely little travel carry pouch. At Temu, I think that's like something silly like £3. Honestly, it's cheap as you like, so well pleased with that. I thought I'd give that a try. Now, I did buy and I did do a little video on this. I think this is the best case you can get for the DJI Osmo 360. The reason being is it opens up like so. It's a hard cover. Be quiet, doggy. Feed it. There's a DJI Osmo 360 there. People moan about scratches on theirs, but mine's been fine so far. But it goes in like so. But what I like about this is not from Temu, by the way. This was from eBay, this one. What I like about this one, it's nice and snug. But you've got the opening at the bottom there for your tripod, so you can keep it on your selfie stick. I've done a video on that already, so I'll link to that there or there somewhere. But what I did do, I bought one from Temu just to see what it was like. Not quite as good. It's a hard case, similar to my one I showed you earlier, for the Action 4 or 5. But it zips all the way around, so you can't add the tripod at the bottom there. But what you can do with this one, it's like if you're travelling, if you put it in a suitcase or something like that, it's quite handy because it literally, the whole thing fits in and it envelopes it all the way around. So I quite like that case. I mean, again, I think these are £4 or something silly, and that's not a bad little case if you're travelling around. You can't really keep your tripod, or I mean, I suppose you could, but you wedge it open. But honestly, lovely little case. I'll try and put a link below to these if I can on Temu. I'm not sure, but not as good as my other case from eBay, but this is, like I say, got the opening for the tripod and selfie sticks. This hasn't, but I mean, you've got a nice little set there. You've got the Action 4 in there, DJI Osmo 360 in there. So that's another nice little case. When I'm doing my videos, edit my videos, I like to take the cards out, the micro SD cards out, the cameras, and put them into my laptop. I've got a couple of adapters. I'm always getting them. I'm always leaving them upstairs or leaving them down the bar or somewhere. So these came up cheap. You can see that tiny little adapter. It only holds one card only. It's a USB-C adapter, and it holds. It's got a little hole in the side, a slot in the side for a CF card. CF card, micro. Show my age. A micro SD card. They were so cheap. I bought 2 of them. I bought a Sunny Life, another adapter, because I lost my one for my Osmo 360. I bought one of these. It's a Sunny Life one. Cheap as you like. It's like the one I've got already from Amazon. Only thing with Temu, it takes a little while to come through. And that just clicks on the bottom of your camera. That was cheap, really cheap as well, much cheaper than Amazon. You obviously have to wait. Last but not least, I saw these selfie sticks. Now I've already bought this thing, the DJI 2.5 meter selfie stick, carbon fibre. I'm not going to do a full review of this yet. I'll do a review of this at a later date, but what I'll show you is this. That's nice quality bit of kit. This is, you get what you pay for. I bought it to buy 2 of these because when you buy stuff on Temu, you probably, if you've ever been on there, you check out and it's got like one pay click thing, one pay buy thing. A lot thinner. These are meant to be carbon fibre. These are meant to be 3 meters long, and they are light. If you take, I mean, it's a bit like my smallest Teddyson one. If you can see that there, you unscrew that there. They do feel like carbon. They're a bit thin, but I'll tell you what. I don't know if you can see this. I might move the camera back in a minute. I ended up getting 2 of these from a different company, 2 different companies, but they came through with a little case as well, a little felt case in a box. 2 pretty much the same. You undo this back screw here. I don't know if they're fake. They do look like carbon. That does look like a carbon wrap. I'm not sure if I'd be putting a £400 camera on the end of these and waving it over the side of a canal or a coastal area or the river or anything like that, but it sounds like carbon. They're pretty good. I think it has £14 each. A full length carbon fibre selfie stick at this length, they're normally sort of like up into your £60–70. I mean, I can't. So I might be doing a little raffle at some stage, raffling them off. Just keep an eye out because I will be doing another video at the weekend, and I'll be doing a full review of these selfie sticks. Okay, so I think they're 2.5 meters. They're meant to be 3 meters long. Let's have another little quick look. I'm not going to do it in this video, but let me. They are pretty flipping long. I mean, are they 3 meters? You can almost take this fishing. They don't feel. It's 3 meters. Yeah, I think they are. That is about 3 meters. Like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell, and you'll be advised of any more future up and coming videos. Because at the weekend, when I get the chance, I'm going to take these out, or one of these out, and do a little review of it. And I'm also going to take the DJI official one out and do a review of that. And we'll pitch them up against each other, see what we've got. Because that, I swear, I think it was at £10, £9, at £14 maximum. I'm sure they were. Come in a box, cardboard box with the little case. I mean, if you're into videography or photography and you're just getting into doing some YouTube stuff or TikTok and that, these little sticks for the price, I don't think you can go wrong. But we'll see. What else did I get? That is it. Again, make sure you like, subscribe, keep an eye out, because you will later on find out why I bought that for the van, which I haven't got yet. I'm going to do another video in a minute, and it's going to be a serious video about some serious, expensive, proper DJI kits. For now, I'll see you later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.